Thanks for tuning in to PRsRealm. Today I'm going to be working with this car charger made by byXTReme. Recently I found there was a problem. It's no longer charging because the piece on the bottom doesn't stay in place. I'm going to attempt to open it, see if I could fix the problem, and if not, we'll just check out, see what's inside. This charger was made by byXTReme, made in China. It was purchased back on March 27th of 2014, and it broke April 15th, 2018. So it actually lasted about 4 years. It comes with 2 standard USB drives, type A, and 2 DC outlets. If you don't know the difference between DC and AC, it's not just a matter of what it looks like, but DC stands for direct current, AC stands for alternating current. In homes, we have alternating currents because it withstands a lot more power. DC is more for smaller appliances, stuff like phones. This holds up to 40 volts or 40 watts. Its output is 2000 mA, which stands for milliamps or milliamperes. What the mA means is, in simple terms, 1000 mA is equivalent to a volt or a watt. So, like I said, it's not much power, but more than enough for your basic items. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open it up, see if we could diagnose the problem. Now, the problem is right here. This piece is supposed to come out. Unfortunately, it doesn't. I cheated a little by opening it prior, and as you see here, there's a spring. This piece is supposed to go in and out to connect and create the current. Unfortunately, it seems like that spring is damaged and it doesn't have the same bounce. So I'm going to quickly open this up, and the rule is righty tighty, lefty loosey. Since I'm loosening these up, I'm turning to the left, and this screwdriver seems to be working very well, so we're going to continue with it. Alright, so I loosened these up. There's some more screws right here. I'm going to take those out. Alright, so I took out the screws. I found 3 screws, and now I'm going to attempt to open it, see if there's anything I could do. Okay, so I got it all the way open, and I actually found another issue, which one of the wires, which was soldered right here, was actually out. So even if I was able to fix the other part, I would have an issue with the second DC charging outlet. However, it did work previously, but like I said, there's too much damage. I had this a while, so we're just going to continue to see what's inside. I'm just going to actually take this apart the old-fashioned way of ripping it. You can see right here is the little motherboard. This is what actually helps connect the data when you put in your flash drives or your DC outlet. All of it goes through here. There's a little wire here connecting to the main unit. As you see, the screws are extremely tiny. This one separated the DC outlet. This is where the wire was off. A little wire that would get soldered right here. Just looks like a little tunnel. And here's the second DC outlet, which was actually the main unit because it's connected to the main unit. Again, I'll do it the old-fashioned way, just rip it out so we could actually get to the motherboard. As you see right here, this is the flash drive, USB type A. Type A is just basically because those were the standard drives when they first started making flash drives, so a little history on that. Here's the little light to show you when it's charging. Now you can see it from the inside. These are the little receptors which actually conduct the electricity and help differentiate between the types of drives and the types of outlets being used. Under here you can see little mechanisms. They look like little housing units. They're basically just where it was put together and soldered. So all in all, it was a great charger. It lasted, like I said, about 4 years. Excellent price. I believe I paid $15. And as you know, technology, it doesn't go up in price, it actually goes down. So at the time, these were actually around $30, $40. And that's what's inside. A charger, a car charger. Again, DC and Type A USB. Thanks for watching PRsRealm. www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.